Good morning to one and all. Last class we have discussed first three sum from exercise 1.1. Now we have discussed the fourth sum. The sum is represent the following in roster form. What is the roster form? List out the answers. Okay, this is a roster form. The first question, A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Natural numbers all are started from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That's like going. And the question is natural number, the even natural number less than 20. So even numbers only taken from the natural number, and also the condition less than, that number is less than 20. Okay, this is your question. Solution. So set A is equal to, list out the answer. That is the roster form. So even numbers only taken right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 does not be possible here because less than 20, below 20 even numbers only. So this is your first question answer. Then second question, B is equal to set of all y. The y is equal to 1 divided by 2n. The n is belongs to natural number, and also the condition n less than or equal to 5. Okay, this is your question. B is equal to set of all y. Y here defined by y is equal to 1 by 2n, and n taken from natural number, n less than or equal to 5. Okay, first present the condition n less than or equal to 5. Natural number all are 1, 2, 3 and so on. So n less than or equal to 5. So first find n values. N less than or equal to 5. That means below 5 and also the 5 equivalent to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 values only possible for this condition. N less than or equal to 5 means n values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, next one by one substitute the y value, we get the result. Okay. So the y is equal to 1 by 2n, put n is equal to 1 first. Y is equal to 1 by 2, n replacing by 1, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 2s are 2. Now we get result 1 by 2. Next put n is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, so n replacing by 2 here. Okay, 2. 1, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Next put n is equal to 3. So the general term y is equal to 1 by 2n. So y is equal to 1 by 2, n replacing by now 3. So is equal to 1 divided by 2 3s are 6. Next n is equal to 4. Put n is equal to 4. 1 by 1 we are substituting the y n value. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 4, which is equal to 1 divided by 8. The final n is equal to 5, y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5, which is equal to 1 divided by 10. So now you get all the answers. So take and write once again in the form of roster, the listed method. So set B is equal to set of all 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. That's all. This is your result. Okay. So one general form, when we given, you consider the condition. Okay. Then substituting the values of n, we get the results. This is your second question. Have you understood? Okay. Next we are going to discuss the third question. The third subdivision. The question is the set defined by C x such that x is perfect cube perfect cube lies between 27 less than x less than 216. Okay, that's all. This is your question, third question. C is equal to set of all x such that x is perfect cube 27 less than x less than 216. This is a form of descriptive form, sorry, set builder form. Okay, by the rule. Okay, so change into the roster form. Okay. The solution is, question is x is a perfect cube. So we already know the cube numbers 1 to 10. What is the number? 1 cubes equal to 1, 2 cubes equal to 8, 3 cubes equal to 27, 4 cubes equal to 64, 5 cubes equal to 125, 6 cubes equal to 216, 7 cubes equal to 343. It's like going to the every cube numbers. Okay, so here the question is the cube numbers lies between 27 and 216. 27, listen the cube values 27 and 216 between you have two numbers. So and also consider the condition strictly less than, so don't take and write the limit value, only in between values only take and write. So C is equal to x between the values 27 and 216 is 64 and 125. That's all. Okay, before start carefully consider the condition and then follow the instruction to get the result. So D is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to z. So every x value taken from the integer, z represents the integer, and the condition is -5 less than x less than or equal to 2. Okay, here strictly less than, here less than or equal to 2. Okay, so all z values are positive and negative natural number together with 0 is a integer. Okay, so refer the condition -5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So the x values are -5, here does not be taken, just strictly less than, so -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 2 is here positive because r equal to given, so 2. These all are x values of the question. So D is equal to set of all x. So the x values are these. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. That's all. So you have 4 questions from the roster form. Have you understood all the 4 questions? Yes, student. The fifth question is represent the following set in set builder form. How like write your set builder form? The set builder forms is a rule type. So you form the rule. This is a given question. B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day international. Okay, this is your question. Okay, the solution is, this is a rule method. So the set B is equal to set of all x such that, so under the rule I define the x value now. So x such that x is who scored, okay, who scored double century in one day internationals. So now I convert by one rule. So x, B is equal to set of all x The X's who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. This is your answer. The second question. Have you understood? The all under the questions are all in set builder form. So set builder form is a rule form. So you forming the rule. The second, consider all the numbers inside the set value 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. This like going all the numbers. So compare the numerator and denominator. This is 1, this is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 successor is the denominator. Going to the second number, this number also 2, the successor is 3. Then 3 and then the successor is 4. It's like going all the numbers. So I choose any number on the numerator, the denominator is successor of the numerator. That like numbers only. Now I am taking. So the solution is C is equal to x such that x is equal to the numerator. I decide some n. So the denominator is successor of this number. So n plus 1. Okay. Then all the numbers, consider all the numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This like showing all the numbers. What are the numbers are the numerator? The numerator are all formed in the natural number. So you selecting all the numbers from the natural number. So x belongs to capital N. That's all. Have you understood? Compare numerator and denominator. You get one result. That is the numerator is the successor of the denominator. Okay. That's all. Nice. The third question. D is equal to the set of all Tamil month in year. Okay. So this is a set builder form. So don't forget. So how like I am right? So D is equal to set of all x such that x is Tamil month in year. Okay, that's all the answer. The set of all Tamil month in year under the rule is converted into this slide. D is equal to set of all x such that x is Tamil month in year. Okay, that's all. Next, the fourth question. E is equal to the set of all odd whole number less than 9. This is your question. Okay, the solution. This is a descriptive form type question. Okay, so now you form the set builder form. So E is equal to set of all x such that x is odd whole number. Odd whole number less than 9. That's all. Okay. So in case this like questions given, if you form any form to any form. So suppose descriptive form given, directly they can write the roster form, or roster form given, you easily convert the set builder form or descriptive form. So learn before start this like questions. Definitely you read the definition of 3. Next, sixth question. Represent the following set in descriptive form. Represent the following in descriptive form. In descriptive form described in word. Okay. So word like you write the answer. The first question. B is equal to set of all January, June, July. Okay. So carefully listen the question. January, June, July. Okay. These all are English month. Okay. So all are English month, and also all month are started from the letter of J. January, June, July. So the solution is P is equal to set of English month starting with letter J. That's all. The solution. So all are English month and the common term is all are started from J. So the answer is P is equal to set of English month starting with letter J. Okay, that's all. Next. The second question. Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So observe all the numbers. These all are in prime number. We know that these all are prime number. So that numbers all are only divisible by 1 and itself only. So 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay. Here also obtain one result. Q is equal to, before going to the result, we first take and write all the prime numbers. So 1 is neither prime nor a composite. 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. This is like going. Okay. So observe the number. This all numbers lies between 5 and 31. Okay. So the result is Q is equal to set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Okay, this is your result. First, every question carefully observe before start the descriptive form. We get the ideas. Okay. Here the solution R is equal to set of all natural number. X belongs to n. So x is taken from the natural number. So set of all natural number less than 5. Okay, this is your answer. Set of all natural number less than 5. This is your answer. Okay. So x less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all only. Okay. So x such that x belongs to capital N. So n, every x taken from the natural number, and x has also the one condition, x less than 5. Below 5 only. So this is your answer. R is equal to set of all natural number less than 5. Okay. The last question. The fourth one. Fourth question. The set defined by S such that X is a consonants in English alphabets. English alphabets. Okay. Axis and consonants in English alphabets. Okay. So the form is a descriptive form. So only you want to write the answer in descriptive word type. Okay. So the set of S is equal to the set of English consonants. That's all. So that's all. Your first exercise 1.1. What are the topics are learning here? So set, how to represent the set, and how to convert the roster form, descriptive form, and the descriptive form, set builder form. Okay, all forms are here. We are discussed. Okay, so that's all your exercise 1.1. Next we are going to the another one topic, types of set. Next class we will discuss. Okay, thank you. God bless you.